Let's launch into variant vowels that sound like the ah in straw. The ah, as in straw, can be spelled two ways, A-U and A-W. Let's practice some words with A-U. Hall, auto, because, pause, sauce. Get ready for some nonsense words to launch at you. Look for the AU spelling that sounds like ah. Bach, Spock, Pock. Read this sentence with me. Look for the ah words. Pause everything, because we need to clean the sauce off the control panel. Now let's practice some words that have the AW spelling. Read with me. Look for the AW. Jaw, awful, crawl. Let's practice some more words with AW. Straw, draw, hawk, pause, law. Get ready for some nonsense words to launch at you. Look for the AW spelling. It sounds like ah. Pock, rock, sock. Read this sentence with me. Look for the ah words. I like to drink my space juice from a straw while I draw hawks. Now you are an expert with the ah sound. Thanks for watching Whimsical Teacher Tube. Don't forget to like and subscribe.